Hi, my name is Vanessa and I'm an associate attorney here at Levinson Stefani. So some of the things I do here as an associate attorney is after we have taken on a case, the client has signed up with our firm, I will be one of the first people that meet with the client, whether it's through a phone call or Zoom, and introduce myself, let them know I'm going to be the attorney working on their case, get some information, explain the process, answer any questions that they have. Then I work on building their case, going through their medical treatment, keeping updated on that, getting those records and bills so we can put together a demand letter to start the negotiation process. And if that doesn't work out and we can't reach a resolution prior to filing a lawsuit, then I file a lawsuit, draft the complaint, get service out on the defendants, and start the litigation process. So that includes taking depositions, going through written discovery, producing client for their deposition, things like that. I think one of the main reasons I became an attorney in general is because I wanted to be an advocate for people. I think I gravitated more towards personal injury or PI because I am representing actual everyday people as opposed to, insurance companies or a business entity, things like that. I am very people person oriented. I'm pretty outgoing and I like to interact with people. I'm also a big empath, and some people, in our field will say that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm on the side that it is a very good thing because, these are people who have been some of the worst times of their lives. They're really going through it, and so I would like to represent them as if, they're a close family friend of mine, and advocate for them in that way. So I think it's important to have at least some level of empathy when you're dealing with cases because that makes you become a better lawyer and, fight for what they need and what they deserve more. So that's why I became a PI attorney, and that's what we do here at Levinson Stefani.